You're awakening in Bali, the morning of the world. Surrounded by its vibrant culture, unique natural beauty, and fertile lands. Where you wish time and your footprints on the sand would stand still. A paradise with landscapes so captivating, as if sculpted by the gods alone. A land so fruitful, where you can reap what you sow. And when the warm violet skies signal to you the day has come to an end, you know a bright tomorrow is coming your way, evoking all that is majestic about Bali. Presenting the rebirth of a pioneer, Hatten Wines, 100% Bali grown and made.